All right, the factoring review, 1D. Now take a look at these terms right here, okay? There's a fair bit going on with that. 10a cubed b squared plus 15a squared b to the fourth minus 5 of blah, blah, blah. A lot going on there. So don't get overwhelmed by the question. Just look at it in pieces. The very first thing you want to consider here is common factors. So look at the coefficients in every case. There I've got a 10, a 15, and a 5. It should be pretty clear that there is a common factor of 5 amongst all of those. Now, notice that each term also has an a in it, okay? Well, when you're trying to find the common factor that I can pull out of those, it has to be a factor that's common to all of them. So the best way to do that is we're going to take out the a, and we're going to apply the smallest power of a that I see, or the smallest exponent that I see amongst those three terms. And this is cubed, squared, squared. So the one that's common, okay, would be squared. Okay, same thing with b. I'm going to take that b out because I can see the b is common to all three of those terms there. And then I look at the exponent in every case there, and the smallest exponent that I see is squared. So again, I'm going to take out that b squared. So this factor right here, 5a squared b squared, this is what was distributed to these three terms. Now I want to see what I would have been left with. Okay, well, to go from 5a squared b squared to 10a cubed b squared, I would have needed a factor of 2, an additional factor of a. And because what's common had a b squared in it, I don't need to include a factor of b because it's already got the b squared in it when I distribute that through. That second term right there has got 15 there, so that must mean there was a factor of 3 here. It's got the a squared in it, but it got that from this factor that's being distributed through. This has got a b to the fourth in it, okay? And what was common only had a b squared, so that means there must have been an additional b squared in that term. And now over here, it's negative 5. I got a 5, a positive 5 in my factor that was common, so this has got to be a negative 1. And notice that the a squared, b squared came out there, and I've got both of those right there, so I'm just going to put a minus 1 there. So good, there's my common factor. This is the factor that I'm left with. Now what I would do is I would take a quick look at this and just see, is there anything I can take out of that? I see that it's a square here, so I'm thinking maybe I can pull this out like it's a trinomial here. But the truth is I can't, because this is a b squared and this is an a. I've got a different quadratic term or variable than I do here, this linear. And so that is as far as I'm going to be able to go with that.